my channel. This is my very first video, so I'm really happy. So, yeah. And as you see, I have a bowl of foam beads, and I have this tiny slime that me and my cousins made. See? And I don't really like the foam beads. It was a dollar store one. We wanted to post on YouTube, but we didn't have the time to, because we had to go to school. So it's not the best. That's why there's so many foam beads. And this is, I'm going to show y'all how I'm taking out the foam beads. It's not the easiest way, because I would put in the top. Easy way to take out foam beads. Clickbait. You know, people don't want to do clickbait. Actually, people do. But, yeah. And right now I am just taking them out. So I like to do, like, squeeze it. Then they get loose. Either they fall out. And then you can either do this, like this. What I hate about foam beads is they get everywhere and I get in trouble for it. So I want to take out the foam beads so I won't get in trouble. I was about to say, almost done. Not. Because we were in a rush, as y'all know. This was our very last one we made. We were in a rush, and so we poured a lot of foam beads. Alright, so I told her that was too many. She's like, yeah, you're right. So I'll catch y'all back up in a little bit. So this won't be in 50,000 hours long. Okay guys, so I got pretty far. See? Guys, I'm going to flip y'all around so y'all can see. Well, I couldn't figure out how, but it's a lot of beads I found, guys. But I'm not finished. I still have a couple more. Earlier I dropped this slime in, so it made me have to start almost all the way over, guys. Yay! Okay, guys, I know this is my third time changing parts, but I just ended up sitting on the floor. But guys, I got it all out. 2 hours it feels like. So I started at 6:03 and it's 6:44. Guys, I'm clumsy. I'll be right back once I get all this off. Okay, luckily it was just on the front right here. So it, you know, noticed it's smaller. It is not even as big as the palm of my hand, guys. Yeah. It's not the best because it is a dollar store slime. We did the dollar store slime challenge. We were going to post it again. We were running late, so we didn't get to post it. Yeah. And our Wi-Fi had just shut off, which everyone was sad. It's not the best at noise because it's not big. And we're about to play with it in another direction. You probably can't hear it because it's raining. Trying to figure out a way to stretch. Oh gosh. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. It was 5 minutes and 4 something. It was pretty long. I'm sorry for how long it was, but it was long to get a lot of beads out of this tiny little slime. Mwah.